Let's take a look at 5 Toronto Stock Exchange listed cannabis stocks to buy under $20 as the US weighs decriminalization. I'm Rachel Jones and you're watching Kalkine Media. So first up, the Auxly Cannabis Group. They're in Toronto and are a leading consumer packaged goods company in the cannabis products market. They recently introduced a fall lineup with some new products, flavors and formulations for cannabis consumers. The company achieved the number 5 position among Canadian licensed producers. Secondly, we have Canadian cannabis giant Tilray. They produce and market cannabis for medical and recreational purposes. Last month, Tilray was recognized by the Luxembourg Ministry of Health as a trusted supplier for its medical cannabis programs. And with Good Manufacturing Practices certification, the company expanded its medical cannabis business to Europe. Thirdly, we have Aurora Cannabis. Now, this Edmonton-based company provides for medical and consumer markets worldwide through a portfolio of cannabis brands such as Med Relief, Reliever, Aurora Drift and others. Now, recently Aurora reported its financial results for its fiscal first quarter of 2022, the most recent in a string of downbeat reports. Aurora says its revenue for the quarter grew 10% sequentially when compared to the fiscal fourth quarter of 2021. Fourthly, we have Smith Falls headquartered pot maker Canopy Growth Corp. This is Canada's largest dried cannabis flower company by market share. They got a boost last week because of a leaked Republican-led bill that would reportedly remove marijuana from the list of federally controlled substances, set up a marijuana regulatory system, and create a 3.75% excise tax on cannabis product sales. And that's according to an article by Marijuana Moment. Lastly, we have the Cronos Group. They manufacture and market medicinal and recreational cannabis. It also exports its medicinal cannabis products to Germany and Poland. Canadian Marijuana Company filed a Form 12B to 25 with the Securities and Exchange Commission, saying it would be unable to file its quarterly earnings report on time. Cronos said it needs more time to figure out just how big of an impairment charge it's going to take on its cannabis oil business, but it's going to take a hit of at least $220 million to its goodwill and intangible assets. Now, investors should understand that the cannabis space is highly volatile and exposed to political scenarios of different countries. Therefore, it's essential to note the risk-return factor that surrounds the cannabis space and an individual's risk capacity as well. But if you did like this information, don't forget to like, share and comment on this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can also press the bell icon to get notifications for our latest videos. I'm Rachel, signing off for Kalkine Media.